Welcome Magical Ones, Hexa here on Natural Witchery, and today I'm doing an unboxing from the Spellbound Society. This is their mystery box that comes out quarterly. I featured this in another video, but I wanted to do just a straight unboxing. I want to share with you an unboxing like, ooh, isn't this cool, as I go along, but then I really want to share you the practicalities about this box. As you know, I'm not about stuff for stuff's sake. And so I want to share with you what I really appreciate about this box and how the items in here actually inspire magical practice. Here we go. I absolutely love the box. This month it has this cute tape on it, which I really just think is super fun. You've got your little instructions and what everything is, but I'm not going to peek at that. Oh, I love it. It's an owl magnet. Look at that. Ooh, I love this box. Who doesn't love a really cool little clasp? It's all wood, which I appreciate. What do we have here? This must be our spell of the month. Wow, look at this. Washi tape. Oh my goodness. Yeah, wow, beautiful. This little keychain here with the diviners. Ooh, what have we here? Ah, looks like we're making moon water this month. We'll talk about this at the end. I'm gonna save the art for last because that's a favorite. Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay, so here we are with this month's spray. As you can see, we've got the hedgie on there. It's berries and vanilla. Let's see what it smells like. Ooh, that's different. It's very clean. It's a very, very clean scent. Ooh, I like that. Oh, there's a couple things in here. Wow. Ah! Look at this beautiful notepad. I love this. And piece of art for the month, the badger reading by the fire. Look at how much fun this is. I love her art. Who doesn't love stickers or need these for your journal or book of shadows? Another sticker here. This is going to definitely go on my water bottle, and I'm excited to see what's in here. It is a moon phases chart. And I want to go into depth here a little bit about what's in the box and talk about the moon water spell a bit in here. But I want to share specifically why I appreciate the Spellbound Society Mystery Box. Let's talk washi tape. Oh my goodness. How many of you have a washi tape collection? Everything in this box and the last box that I received are things that I will use. I have had other boxes that I've gotten, other subscription boxes, and I've liked them for different reasons. But this box, the Spellbound Mystery Society box in particular, everything that I've gotten so far has been something useful that I haven't thought, you know, I need to regift this or get rid of it. I'm always going to use washi tape. Last month and this month, a spell was sent to me. The spells are very simple and adaptable. They're just straightforward. This particular spell is moon water for abundance and growth, which is always great. The herbs for the spell are provided. They're calendula and rose for abundance. I love that these are paper packages, not plastic, so this is recyclable or compostable. The moon water jar is something that I can reuse over and over and over again. It is glass, just really quality. The box that was included that the moon water came in is something that I will reuse. It's the perfect size. It's not too big or cumbersome. It's stackable. Just, it's beautiful. It's quality. Another thing that I really appreciate about this mystery box is that it's quarterly. You're not hemorrhaging every single month for something. It's something just kind of special and different that shows up in your mailbox and gives you that little bit of delight and enchantment you need to sort of shake up your practice and get you thinking in a new direction. Rachel Johnson is the creator of the Spellbound Society Mystery Box, but she's also the creator of all this art. And it's just beautiful. This is so practical. Who doesn't need a little pad for jotting down notes? grocery lists, whatever. Again, everything I get in here is just extremely usable, and it just adds this bit of enchantment to my life. I love her art style. It really just clicks with me. I actually am wallpapering the ceiling over the bed of my grandkids' room that I have in my house. And so I collect art, and so these are going to go up and become a part of my grandchildren's lives. Another huge plus for me personally is the eco packaging. These are compostable right here. They're made out of corn. The bags that things come in, this is muslin. I can use this for another spell if I want to. There's a great little charm on here which I can hang up or use to enchant something. This is actually really funny. I don't have a keychain right now that I am using, and I'm not really one that normally does, but I love this, and I'm actually just bought a van so that I could do witchy van life. This beauty is going to hold my key to my van for all my witchy van life adventures. Comes with a grimoire page in it with these illustrations, and what I will do to keep this from getting damaged and to actually use it is I'll just flip it over and I'll iron it, so to iron out these creases here and attach it in my Book of Shadows collection. If you're new as a practitioner, or maybe you just want to like spice up your practice a little bit, getting a mystery box with something like this that gets you thinking in a new direction or doing something that you haven't done in a long time, or maybe you've never done, can really enchant your life in a fresh way. These boxes are so practical. The things that come in them are things that you'll just use over and over again. Rachel is so eco-conscious that she even lets you know that if there's any plastic inside these boxes, it's plastic that's been sent to her, so she's reused it, repurposed it. And I want you to know that I never review something without being honest. All the information on how you can get the Spellbound Society's mystery box is down below in the description box. And Rachel's been so sweet. She says that if you include the code Natural Witchery when you purchase your Spellbound Society mystery box, she will give you a little free gift. If you're interested in seeing my review on the last box she did, then you can check out this video right here.